Welcome to a new video. We are drawing a beautiful painting of a night sky. You can see. The only colors we use in this whole video is white, black and dark blue. So if you are new, subscribe our channel and stay with us, watch complete video. You will also do the same. So we are applying dark blue color. These are acrylic colors, and if you want you can also use poster colors or even pencil colors. So this is dark blue color. If you are a beginner, so this video is for you. So first of all, we are applying dark blue color. To spread the color uniform, you have to just move the brush. So we are applying some more blue color. As you have already seen the drawing, the final drawing, so you have noticed that the middle is dark blue color. So once we apply dark blue color, we will add blue and white. So more white, three parts white and one part blue. So it will become a very light blue color, as you will see onward. Once we complete this applying dark blue color, then we will apply that color, white plus blue. So most of the area is covered with dark blue color, and we are blending it. We are just making it look uniform. Now we have just added 3 parts blue and 1 part white color, and we are applying it on the right side, the lower portion. So we will just mix it in such a way that it look uniform, and this is our canvas where we have just tape it on all sides. You can even use a big brush as well, depends on the availability, but I'm using this one. This is the larger size, but or we can say a bit medium size, not the extra large size. This part, the middle, should be a bit more darker and the lighter color on the sides. So I will also apply the same on the upper side and some black color as well. Now we are moving to the other side. So here I will again add some black color. As the night sky, so there should be some black color. And this white and blue color, it is actually the presence of stars in the sky. So this is now black color. I am mixing this black color with the blue color, so it will look uniform. Now little bit white color is added. So you have to wet the brush before working, or at any time you have to just clean it. Now our most of the work has done. We are just making stars by this method. You have noticed this is white color. Now we are just drawing the front of our scene. That is these are actually some plants in the ground, and it will look like a grass, and you can imagine someone standing away and he is looking in the front. So the front is grass and a tree. Later on we are just drawing. Now I'm just drawing the grass, the leaves of the grass. So I will take it to the other side as well. And once I draw that, then I will draw a tree. Now we are drawing a tree. So this is a tree. In case you just mistakenly drop a black color or any color where you don't want, so you can just quickly clean it with a tissue paper. Right now at this time the light was just gone, so that's why it is looking a bit different, but soon the light will come back again, so you will see the bright one. Now we are just making some branches. Now it's clear. So this is the first branch, this one is the second, and now the third. We will also draw some more big branches and some small branches. This one is the lower branch, and it looks like it's in a three-dimensional. If you are a beginner, so you can practice, soon you will be able to draw like that. I am doing it slowly, stepwise, so that you can also do the same. Do you like to see stars in the night sky? And are they so clear? After making all the branches, we will draw the leaves. So it is so easy. I am just putting some white color and mixing it with water and taking the large size brush, and I will apply it over these branches so it will look like leaves. But let it to complete first. We have drawn a very beautiful tree. Now that step is so close. I have already just made the white paint with water, white acrylic color with water that is mixed. Yes, this is the big brush, and now you have to do the same, so it will look like branches and leaves. So with the same process I have to cover the whole tree. So these are the leaves, and they're looking black because of the night. How many of you are also practicing the same? Remember, without practice there is nothing. Now our drawing is complete. We will remove the tape from the four sides. Now it's so beautiful, super cool and beautiful drawing of the night sky. I hope you will like it. If you like, subscribe our channel. There are a ton of videos in our channel related to drawing and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.